So here's a quick video to accompany the listing of this Ram Mega Cab 5.9 with a manual. So you'll see this listing on our website, and we're very upfront about the description. This truck does have rust. Most of the rust is mainly cosmetic, but it does have scaliness throughout. It did come from the northern salt area. We have seen way worse, but being a manual 5.9 Mega Cab, obviously beggars can't be choosers. We could do like just about every other dealer on this planet, and we could cover it up, we could hide it, we could do body work. We've seen foam filler be used, but we're deciding to, obviously, as always, describe it exactly as it is. This truck runs out well, strong, and proper. I'm gonna try to show you the frame and then the body issues. Underside of the truck is much better than the cosmetic part, but the rocker panels have decay. The cab corner has decay, and it definitely has over the fender well rust, such as all of these trucks do, pretty much of this age, no matter where they came from. It has not been undercoated to hide anything, as you can see. No undercoat. Somebody's probably painted it at some point, but there is no undercoat hiding anything. The bed supports, in our opinion, damn good shape actually, because they're very thin and they're usually the first thing to rot. They have rust, but they're not as bad as some. Also, this lip right here usually is all gone. It's still pretty good. Right there. A little bit right here. This side's exactly the same way. A little less, but same. We can also do a running video of this truck, but I can tell you it shifts fine, runs fine, and drives fine. We've changed the oil, checked the suspension as far as ball joints, brakes, tires are all good. Nittos 295s with the simulated, I guess you call them Hummer style wheels. This side the same thing, rocker panel, cab corner. Here's your frame. Light fading to the paint on the passenger side here. Clear coat issue actually. But if you're going to work this truck to death like most, obviously this is the most holy grail desirable truck you will find. Interior's in great shape. I forgot to bring the keys out as always, but little wear and tear on the armrest, but manual trans, 5.9, some pillar gauges, got upsized exhaust, toolbox in the back. Pretty cool truck. And if this truck did not have rust, I can tell you, it's hard to believe, but we had a dealer pushing us to buy one, and we're just concentrating more on commercial vehicles, as you can see. But we passed on it. He sent it to auction, which we suggested he do. I mean, you know, we said, hey, that's where it's gonna bring the most money, and it did. It was this exact truck, this exact color, automatic, not a manual, 5.9, upsized tires and wheels. I mean, a spitting image of this truck, but it was clean. It was a Florida truck. It was rust free. It was super clean. It had some train horns, you know, but basically the same truck. About 30,000 less miles, so it did have better miles. That truck brought $44,000 at dealer auction. So obviously that dealer took it home, paid the fees, paid to transport it, paid a buyer, and put it on his lot for, you know, who knows, 50 grand probably. So for all we know, it could already be sold. I don't know. That just happened a week or two ago. So if you don't mind spending a crazy amount of money, look out there on the internet. You'll probably find that other truck that looks just like this one, but it did not have rust. So this truck is probably 20 grand cheaper than it should be due to the rust. I don't know how you put a price on a 5.9 manual because they're not out there, but this truck is definitely way cheaper than it should be due to the rust. Caution, attention, whatever needs to be put on here. It does have rust, but not affecting the usability of this truck. If you're going to take it into the northern states, you're going to make it die from rust anyway. If you're going to take it out on the oil fields and beat the crap out of it, it's going to die anyway. So looks are not a matter. So here it is. This is the truck. Again, just did not want anybody to purchase it and not be fully aware of what they're getting. Check the website for any vehicles. Lots of them in stock. If you got any questions, we'll be happy to do a video like this on any of our trucks to be as upfront as possible. Again, we don't try to hide anything. We can't make a truck what it is or what it isn't. So learned that many, many years ago. Pictures, videos, FaceTime, whatever you would prefer about any of our vehicles, feel free to reach out. Davis4x4.com, davisautosales.com, daviswatersports.com. Hit the websites. We do buy trucks, commercial mainly currently. There's our phone number. You can speak to JW, speak to Mike, speak to Ms. Davis, depending on what you need. Any of us will be happy to help you. Thanks for watching.